Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to delete music in Terabox app, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete your music or audio files on the Terabox app, first open up your Terabox app on your phone, and when you open your Terabox app guys, you will land on this interface, which is the home interface of Terabox. And after opening guys, you can see the photos, videos and the documents button available for us just below the search bar. And you can see the photos, videos and documents button available for us just below the search bar. And at the right side of the documents there is the more button available for us. Tap on the more button just beside the documents, and this kind of panel will appear at the bottom of the screen. Let's tap on more again, and you can see the music button available for us. Tap on the music at the bottom of the screen just beside the applications. Tap on music, and all of the music files which you have uploaded on your Terabox drive will be over here. Now in order to delete a particular music guys, simply tap and hold on the music which you want to delete, and after tapping and holding on that music, when the tick mark at the right side appears, the menu will be available for us at the bottom of the screen. So let's do that again. Let's tap and hold on the music which you want to delete from the Terabox, and when the tick mark at the right side appears, the menu is available for us at the bottom of the screen. Again, see the delete button available for us at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the delete button at the bottom and tap on delete again. By doing that guys, your music which you had particularly deleted will be sent to the recycle bin, and it will be cleared out from your recycle bin or permanently deleted from the recycle bin in 10 days. And with that being said guys, this is how you'll be able to delete music in Terabox. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.